What's up guys, today I'm going to give you some tips on this brand new Target Zoom Transitions pack. So this transition pack comes with a custom zoom in and zoom out target transition, as well as 16 preset zoom in and zoom out transitions. And for this tutorial, I want to zoom in from this wide shot to this close-up shot of the building in the frame. So what I'm going to do is use the custom zoom in tool because I want to get a perfect, smooth, seamless zoom into this building. So I'm going to drag this into my timeline in between the two video clips. And the first thing I'm going to do is set the length of this transition between 1 to 2 seconds. And this will speed up or slow down the transition. So the next thing I'm going to do is select the transition and go up to the screen, and you'll see this target on the screen right here. And what you want to do is start off by placing this on the object that you want to zoom into. So I'm going to go for the building right here. If we play that back, it already gives us a really nice transition into the building, but there's a few things you can do to make this look really seamless and to transition the two shots really nicely. So to do that, what I'm going to do is place my marker in the middle of the transition, and then using the right and left arrow keys on my keyboard, I'm going to flick between the two shots. And the first thing I'm going to do is change the end zoom amount and the start zoom amount so that the scale of the building matches the second shot. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the start zoom and just bring this down a little bit. And I might even go back a few frames to see how much the building is growing in scale each frame. So the scale of the building is growing at quite an equal rate now. The next step is to watch the path of the building as it zooms in and use the target to line it up so that it creates an even more seamless zoom. I'm happy with how that looks. Also, another tip, if you want to move the target really finely, then you can actually hold Command on the keyboard, drag the target around. This way it won't lock into Final Cut Pro's grids, and you can move it very finely across the screen. So let's render that out and have a look. So yeah, that's looking really good. There is also the blur amount that you can change up here to change the look of the zoom. And another tip, specifically when you're zooming in from a wide shot to a close-up shot of the same scene, it's a good idea to get the color correction of each shot very similar. And an easy way to do that is to actually use Final Cut Pro's match color effect. So I've already have it on here, match color. To get that, what you can do is select the video clip, go to modify, and then match color, and then select the video clip that you want to match it with. Just select the wide shot in the timeline, and that will apply a color correction to match the colors of your wide shot. And then obviously you can do some more color correction, probably change the exposure just to match it up a bit better. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.